a beautiful apartment from Prestige Group. You can see the view, how the area is. If you're looking for a great destinations or a great apartment for your family, you can check this out. This is near to City City View spot. You can Google it, City View. Beside that, this apartment is from Prestige World. It's really beautiful. You have a pretty much open space, and also you can check out the city view from here with winds blowing. Definitely it's a really nice place. You can see a kid